I am still living with your ghost, lonely and dreaming of the West Coast. I don't wanna be your downtime. I don't wanna be your stupid game with my big black boots and an old suitcase.
Welcome to Weekly News with host Xavier Longback. On our primetime network, NTPA, News Trouble, Port Arthur area. Let's get started. Did you know that news is actually an acronym for North, East, West, South? Me neither. Moving on. There's a report that in the Bay Area, there's a high call volume of people flashing other people. Hold on, I've got a call here. This is a wild one. How to answer my phone, that is right. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. Hello, you're calling NTPA News with Xavier Longback. Give us your report. No, I did not order a pizza. Nope, that is not the number. Well, thank you for disturbing my show. Yes, I can say hi to Shirley Williams for you. Don says hi to Shirley Williams. Okay, you have a good day. Bye. Thank you. That is the wrong call. We thought it was a breaking urgent news message, but you know, mistakes happen, and I guess pizzas get called from the wrong number. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, we're going back to this. In the Bay Area, people are flashing other people. And what's odd about that report is that women are flashing more than men. Unfortunately, I am not one of these callers. In other news, Mayor Keith Hobbs and former Chief of Police J.P. Levesque have been seen drinking at the local Newfies pub here in Thunder Bay. They have not been seen since. We'll report more on that later. There is a new hot topic going around town that has people appalled and flabbergasted. The Centerfolds Nude Brood here in Thunder Bay have raised their prices $1 on beer and bar shots. Apparently they're raising awareness for a disease called gingivitis. It is plaguing a lot of people here in Thunder Bay area, and it has to be stopped. And it is now mandatory to tip the private dancer. Not while Rod Stewart is singing Private Dancer, but when you actually see her dance. In world news, Donald Trump is at his shenanigans again. He blatantly called Prime Minister Trudeau an Indian lover and said, when it comes to politics, keep it on the field. Whatever that means. Moving to sports. Thunder Bay Whiskey Jack star Aaron Higgins got into a very bad accident on the field yesterday. While he was running for the ball, his foot got caught in the grass and literally he tore his scrotum wide open. You could actually see scrotum juice and testicles on the grass. That gives new meaning to family jewels. A new kind of drug has been reported by a couple of innocent bystanders out there. It is called Dramamine Tapamine. Reports say that it gives you a sense of euphoria and superiority. In other words, it makes you act like a woman. Well, everybody, that just about does it for our show today. It has been a swell ride. I'm talking to you, Aaron Haynes. Please stay tuned to our local programming coming on. And I tell you one thing, it is a very bright day out there. So put on your shades, baby. Oh yeah, and have your pets spayed or neutered or killed them. I'm Xavier Longback, reporting to you from NTPA News, Thunder Bay, Ontario.
My friend's got a girlfriend and he hates that bitch. He tells me every day. He says, man, I really gotta lose my chick in the worst kind of way. She says